Hello folks, welcome back to this second lesson. You need to bring yourself to the repetitive steps section and choose the retrieval practice page. That will bring you to what we've got on screen here. You've just done a bit of retrieval practice for some theory, in that the sequence is putting steps of instructions into a correct order so we get the desired outcome. Now we're also going to give you a chance to do a bit of retrieval practice on your skills and how you can actually program and do that process. So what we have here is a task that you need to use the trinket below to get Adrian to draw an equilateral triangle. So you scroll down to the trinket. An equilateral triangle, let's remember, is where all sides have the same length, so each angle that the turtle needs to turn is the same. We've got a little tip there that the angle, they all need to add up to 360 on the inside, so it's 1/3 of 360 that you need to make Adrian turn. So we need 3 sides, so he needs to draw 3 lines, and then he needs to turn the relevant angle to draw an equilateral triangle. Now you can make him turn left or right. Look at your cheat sheet on how you can do that. This is not an assessment, it's a chance to play with the code and try and make the turtle do what you need it to do. Once you've done that, come back to the presentation, or your teacher will bring you back to working on it, and if at any point you need some support, ask.